Look what just came in the mail. My Planner Society. This is a subscription box. It comes in every 2 months. And this is for planners, for my monthly planner. Let's see. I'll go ahead and open it up. And I love the packaging. Isn't this a cool box? Each one comes in this nice box that I end up keeping and storing other stuff in. So this is the package. Oh, and then I think I remember seeing on Instagram that we were getting a free, this is a planner folder. I don't know what you call them. I'm sorry. It's Monday and my mind is kind of blank. I just call these folders, but I think they have a different name. But this is a planner, a traveler's planner size with the elastic band. All right, here we go. And they always come in these pretty envelopes. The packaging for the subscription service is so amazing. I'm just amazed at this packaging. So, and then the first thing is, this is another book, and I'm assuming this is a sticker book. This is to keep stickers in, or photos. No, I'm assuming this is a sticker book. I really need to pay more attention to Instagram. On Instagram, she gives like sneak peeks, and I'm sure she'll explain exactly what this is, but I'm assuming it's a sticker book. And then this is like the little index tabs. See right here, it's cut out and says notes. I'll go ahead and open it up. I like these. And you can put these on the pages. There we go. See, it says notes, month, week. Just punch out little holes. Today, ooh, look at this purple. Ooh, look at this metallic purple. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Oh yeah, I like those. I really like these. Bear with me as I try to put it back in the little packaging. This packaging, very nice packaging. This is a little charm. It has a swan on it. A little planner charm. And then, paper clip with a charm on it. Swans, I think, are the monthly theme. Very nice. I love swans. And then index tabs. A notebook with a small pad of probably Post-its. Yeah, I really like that. That is very nice. A pen with another swan on it. I am liking this theme. I do like swans. Look at that pen. Very pretty. And then the washi tape. Purple floral. This is a package of die cuts. Oh, I like that. That's a swan one. A little. And these are just used to accent your spreads in your planner. Very cool graphics. I like it. Upside down. It goes like that. dollhouse. Oops. Oh, swan, as I'm dropping everything today. And then little phrase cards. They're usually square, but this time they're oval, and I really like that. Little quote cards, I guess is what they're called. Okay. If you hear that dog barking, it is not my dog. It is my neighbor's annoying dog. So annoying. They leave their dog out all day long. Bark, bark, bark. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it, and it is getting on my last nerves. So unfortunately, no one seems to care about the dog that barks all day long. And then this is a little envelope of stickers. There's always a package of stickers in the kit, which I love. And there we go. So I don't think this is a sticker book because the sticker book I have fits these sheets perfectly. So I'll have to look on Instagram and see exactly what this little booklet is for. I'm sure it's to store something, but the sticker book I have would be the perfect size to this, or I should say the Planner Society sticker book. If anyone who's watching is part of the Planner Society, can you let me know what this little booklet was for? Alright, stickers, and so it all has the same theme. You see, mostly these stickers are the same images as the die cuts. Very cute, and then a little phrases to put in your planner, and little washi tapes. Isn't that adorable? I like that. Usually there's a little more stickers than this. So, there's only 4 sheets. But I think I know why that there's only little 4 sheets, because I see a bigger sheet of stickers. Let me just grab that real quick. Here is a bigger sheet of stickers, and I've not had one of these in a kit before, so this is actually very nice. They are 3D stickers, kind of like puffy stickers, I would say. That is pretty cool. I've not got a big sheet like this before, so definitely cool. Let's see, so this little envelope is, what is this? Pockets. This is probably pockets, yep. So these are pockets that are sticker sided that you just put in your planner, peel off the back once you know what spot you want it on, and they are cool little pockets. I'm actually going to use these tonight and update up my planner. Let's see. It is April 1st, and so just in time to start my planner for the new month. And then these are, not for sure, this is, I don't know. You have to see on Instagram what people use these for. So different sizes of houses. This is vellum. This is cardstock, vellum, and cardstock. Huh. I guess they're just used to decorate pages in your planner. Very cute. Alright, I give up. I'll put this back. I'm actually going to work on this tonight as I'm watching TV, so I'll just leave this out. And then bow stickers, cute purple glitter stickers. Look at that. And then these are purple glitter trim stickers. You can put these on the edges of your pages of your planners. And then more stickers. Oh, these are really cool. And then the pad of paper. And then if you know, if you make your own planner, these are the papers that you fold and put into and use as your base for your spreads in your planner. And that's what I do. And they're all themed to match, which I like. Let's see. Let me try to open this without ruining the paper. Okay, so this is And they're double-sided, which I like. You know, if you buy a lot of scrapbook paper at Michael's, most of their pads of paper, the big pads for like $19.95, are normally just one-sided. I think Martha Stewart has a line where they're double-sided, but for the most part, the Michael's pads of stationery or scrapbook paper are not double-sided. So it is nice, absolutely, to have a double-sided scrapbook paper. So let's see with that. So one side is floral. That's cool. So there's 2 sheets of that type, and that way you can, like, you know, fold it like this way for one spread, and then fold it this way for both spreads, and then you get the benefit of both sides. Look at that swan pattern. That's very pretty. Swan pattern. Sorry. Hold on. They're sticking together. Swan pattern, and then a vellum of the swan pattern. That's amazing. And then vellum of rose, and then a sheet of acetate. Oh, 2 sheets in here. One of black floral and one of gold. What is that, octagons? Or just, I guess, a 3D box, maybe? I think it's a 3D box. And then a sheet of lace. Very pretty. And then 2 more sheets of double-sided scrapbook. Oh, I really like this purple floral. Alright, so this subscription, I think I pay $39.99, $39.95 maybe, plus shipping. I think it ends up being $40 something, and it's every 2 months, and it ships pretty quickly once she says it's ready. So I actually should have got it Saturday. It's not her fault. My postage people are a little behind, so it would have been nice to get it over the weekend so I could have had my planner ready for today, but it's not the Planner Society's fault. It is my post office. So look at all these goodies. I'm just amazed. So plenty of stuff to make a new planner for the next 2 months. I wasn't expecting like this free cover, so I'm actually going to make a whole new planner with this cover and use all these goodies inside. And maybe when I'm done, I will do a quick flip through and show you guys if you're interested. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.